Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear children, we have learned about the planets which exist in our solar system, and one of the planet is ours, that is Earth, which is different from others. So it is called as unique Earth. Why is it so called? Let us learn. Okay. Why the planet Earth is called as a unique planet? Why? First and foremost, when you stand in a ground and have a look around you, you feel it is flat, isn't it? Till your eyesight goes, till the far place you can see, whatever you see, you feel it flat, but it is not as so. How is it then? Let's learn. And with what it is compared, okay, we'll see in this lesson. So when the astronauts, what they found from the space, how is the Earth? It's like it is covered completely with water. It looks blue in color. Okay, not completely, but most of the part is covered in water. Okay, the planet is covered with water, so it looks in blue color. So it is also called as blue planet. That is the reason the planet Earth is called as a blue planet. The astronauts, they found that if they look the photographs what they have taken from the space, it looks like a bright blue ball. Okay, the Earth looks like a bright blue ball. So that is the reason it is named as blue planet. Okay, why is it so? The water, the blue color of the water, due to the blue color of the water, the planet is called as blue planet. Then moving on, and it also compared to an orange. It look like an orange. Why as an orange? Why? Because if you have a look at the Earth, the planet, or then the top and bottom is flat. Top and bottom is flat. Okay, and bulging towards the center in this way. If you compare it with an orange. So the shape is not, the shape of Earth is not perfectly round. Okay, then top and bottom is flat, and it is bulged in between. Okay, then what is the top part known as? If you find it as a Earth, the shape of Earth, this is called the North Pole. The bottom part is called the South Pole. Okay, and the middle of Earth sticks out a little. Okay, why? And it moves. An imaginary line moves in from the middle. So it is called as the equator. Okay, which divides the Earth into two halves. That is the North Pole and the South Pole. It divides the Earth into two equal parts. Then, what makes Earth special, unique, different? Let's have a look. As we all know, it is a part of solar system. It is a member of solar system. Earth is special. It's unique. It's different. Why? It is the only planet Earth is the only planet on which are living, or where living things can live, on which living things can exist. Exist in the sense can live. Okay, and coming to the other point, and what all things it provides? It provides air, water, and suitable weather for all the living things. For all living things. So one by one we'll look into. First and foremost, air. The air we breathe in, makes our earth special. Okay, the presence of air in the atmosphere around us. So you can feel the air. You can see the air. No, you cannot see. No, you cannot see the air. But you can feel the air. You feel the air. So the air around us is suitable for the living things, and it is the most important thing to the human beings or the living things to exist. See, if you put your hand in front of your mouth and just blow, okay, then you just blow it outside, you exhale the air, then you can feel, isn't it, the warmth and the touch, the feel, you can touch the air on your hand, on your palm. So you're feeling it, neither in spite of seeing it. You can't see it, isn't it? In spite of that, it is an important thing for all the living beings. So it is all around us. The air is all around us, and the layer. How is that atmosphere defined? The layer of air that surrounds the earth like a blanket. The earth like a blanket is called atmosphere. So the layer of air that surrounds the earth like a blanket is called as atmosphere. So apart from earth, no other planet is having that feature. So that is the reason earth is a unique planet. So this is one of the reasons. What would be the other reason? About the temperature. So compared to other planets, Earth, it is neither too nor hot. Okay, the temperature here is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, it is moderate. So in other words, you can just say that the temperature makes life possible. Whatever temperature on earth is present, it makes life. Temperature on earth makes life possible. So whatever temperature it is, it makes the life possible on earth. So yes, some places you can find deserts, isn't it, very much hot, very warm, and some places like to the north and Antarctic where you find the Arctic Circle, where you find you find those glaciers, those ice, snow covered mountains like in India, at the Himalayas. But in spite of all those things, life is possible on Earth because it is having the right temperature, you could say, compared to other planets on the solar system.